The Neptune Educational Consultants, and we have come here to Hyderabad from Baroda and Ahmedabad at our office to do this Australian Education Fair with Neptune Educational Consultants Hyderabad office. And we have this event at least twice in a year, wherein students from the entire of Hyderabad and nearby places are coming to this exhibition, wherein they can speak to the university, find out about their courses, find out about the prospects after finishing the courses, even talk to them about what are the research options available, the PhD options which are available. And all this is available to these students absolutely free of cost. It is an open forum wherein the students are not charged anything for coming to this exhibition and talking to the university. Australia is a fast growing destination for studies, whether it is undergraduate or postgraduate or PhD levels, and the universities are government recognized universities. So as a student, it is it gives a lot of surety to the students that the kind of education that they are getting, the kind of degree that they are getting are very well recognized by the Australian government and countries out of Australia as well. So if they come back to India also, their degrees are going to get them good employments. Universities that have come here are Deakin University, which is from Melbourne, Swinburne again from Melbourne, Griffith University, Flinders, Bond, then we have RMIT again from Melbourne, we have University of South Australia from Adelaide, University of Adelaide. So all these representatives have been meeting students who come here and give them options according to whatever they have liked and whatever are their research areas. So yeah, we'll be doing this event again and again, and we want more and more students to come to us and find out what are the further options they can take up after their studies. See, last year I think when we did this program, I think we saw close to about 150 odd students, and this year I think we are close to about 175. So yeah, we have grown from last year to this year, and more importantly, this time a lot of students have been getting scholarships also. So yeah, I mean, it was really a very good show that we've done, and I'm sure the universities and the students both are quite satisfied with whatever they have got.